What's up everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I'd like to share you how to create this 3D water ripple animation, and here I apply it to the some milk over here. And how to create this water ripple animation, surprisingly you don't need the, let's say, complicated software, or if you would like to create it more than one as your video asset of your content, don't worry guys, because in this video I will show you how. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the first step you can do, you can visit this Meta AI, and also don't forget to do the login first with your email or this Facebook, because this Meta is still in the one management of the Facebook and Instagram, and this will be the home page of this Meta AI. You'll see in this Meta AI you can also create or generate the picture or create the short video or short animation 5 minutes, or you can also extend it to be 9 seconds. I'm sorry, it should be 5 seconds or 9 seconds. And also you can add something in general here, and if you scroll down you will see the animation that has been made by a lot of users over here. They are very realistic and also beautiful, you guys. So let's get started. For example, here I will put my simple prompt like this: create a realistic 3D animation of the gentle water ripples across the surface of the glass of a milk, for example. Or if you can apply to it for the water in the pool maybe, or in the or around the lake, for example. And after that, the ripple should be smooth and subtle, clearly showing the opaque milky texture as they expand, and also focus on realistic fluid dynamics and soft lighting to enhance the visual depth. So you can continue to click send and kindly wait for the result. Basically, this Meta AI will provide you 4 samples of the animation, and each of them has the length or duration would be 5 seconds. However, you can also extend it to be 9 seconds, and also make sure that your connection is good. This prompt actually the same when I would like to create the water ripples animation over here, but you can also has the possibility, or you will have the possibility to have the a little bit different look, but still in the one theme of these water ripples on the glass of the milk like this. And if you would like to create, or if you not really satisfied about the result, so you can copy this again and put it here and continue to generate it, and you will see the another result down here. And for example, if you like one of this clip or this animation, then you can start to download it, and it will be ready to use, let's say for your animation into your, let's say, content video, or for your another purposes. So that's all guys, I hope this video found you helpful and entertaining, and if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on the comment section, because we would love to see your comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.